Okay, we got a visit today from the legendary Agent 1080, and he's got for me a pretty sweet unit here. Let's have a look.
Jay, back in action.
Ooh.
Agent Dean and
Man, it's 72 Plymouth Day.
72 Plymouth Day.
72 and a half.
That's right. That's right. The half is where they got this longer molding on the front.
Yeah,
here.
this is the rare mid-year option.
You did some work to it though, hey, 3 days? Yeah.
I literally vacuumed it and put the clip on it to see if it fits. And it runs. I fired it up. It's
Great.
Since 1990.
Cool.
Fired right up. And it has its own brakes.
Comes with brakes.
What's the difference? I don't know. Wow.
That's really odd that yours has grab handles.
Yes.
Is it a 9-passenger?
It's
also?
not though. Yeah.
And this is a 9-passenger. It doesn't have them. But it has the steps.
Yeah, mine has the steps too.
Weird.
Yeah, because I just assumed mine would be 9-passenger when I saw that.
Yeah.
But it's not. And there's a different body number. It's like 47 is 9-passenger
Okay.
and 45 is 7-passenger or 6. Anyway,
Weird.
it's because there is different structure.
I guess.
So they have a different body code. So you could, and I may, just cut the extra bracketry out and weld it in. We'll see. I don't know. This is obviously in better shape than mine, but mine's actually a 72.
That's right.
So,
You gotta
like
weigh
I
it.
say, the glass and the doors pay for the car. See anything you need?
You got anything French? What a weird body mold on the door. That's such a crazy molding.
Well, that's kind of
All
what
the
makes the
lines.
whole thing for me,
Yeah.
right? And that's the thing is,
It has all the trim.
it has all. There's really nothing missing. It's got a nice hood, but the bottoms of the doors are all rusted out.
I loved it had a CB antenna.
Yeah, the CV's still in it.
Really?
Yeah, but the tailgate's rusted out. All the doors are rusted out, and the windshield's cracked. So right away, you know, and the engine's seized.
Oh, the 360 also? Or
Yes,
400?
so that one, I might just drop that in, honestly. I was going to put my Newport clip in it.
The transmission in that car has like 15 kilometers on it.
Yeah,
The guy literally put
see?
the transmission.
The
in
whole
car.
bottom of it is gone.
Yeah.
I think it opens.
Yeah, she's soft.
It used to open. Anyway, so I'll probably restore this car using as much of that one as I can. It's not terrible.
I
It's
do
got
like the
kind of
bar
high
parts.
back
The
seats.
handles are neat.
Yeah,
That's cool. It has a clock.
it's got wood paneling on the dash and a few things.
The seat's cool.
I don't think the floors are even rusted right through, but the rockers are not good. And every door is shot.
Oh, it's got bumperettes on it.
Those are neat. I think my 72 Coupe does as well.
Cool.
So now I got 370, well, 270.
And it's obviously going this color.
Oh, I love this color.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love this
And the green interior is cool too. Okay. Is it running on a bottle under the hood?
I brought a little jerry can.
Okay, let me get set up here.
Yeah, it sounds great.
They got a
park together.
What was that?
They gotta park together. At some point.
Yeah.
Reorganize.
Well, Dave put a 72 clip. 73s have exposed nipples.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, we're gonna mix and match.
I like the original paint patina. That's cool. 318 probably, or I mean the LA 360. 360 is right there, dummy. Oh, look, here's your look at how nice the original paint was. With air.
I cornered the market on these babies.
Right?
That's funny. It's my favorite fuselage car. It's funny how they've all ended up here in town.
It sits
All we
good
got.
too, like it's high.
It sits up there, yeah. Oh yeah, big ass fender. Just knock it in. We'll sort it out when we get back. Dave's gotta get going and we gotta get the transmission.
Yeah, you guys gotta have moving. Yeah, sure.
It's gonna rain, like I said.
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah. It's never 29 degrees in Alberta
Without some calamity, don't do that whenever
That's a CD holder that was in the Imperial. You can have that. How about this starter? Do you starter?
Is it for Dodge?
Yeah, it works fine.
Yeah. Why would I not take that?
There you go.
Why would a hoarder not hoard Dodge parts? It comes with its own garage.
It's got everything you need.
What do you think, Bringers? You like it, eh? Cool. Ooh, careful. Careful. No, 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 no.
Yes.
Yes. I'm going in, Dad. There's not much in there for you, Missy. Wow, it's pretty sunburnt. But look at the condition of this. Well, there you have it. 1973 with 72 parts. Nice running engine with air conditioning. Ooh, this could be our first car with air conditioning if we put all this into the other car. This car is in way better shape than the other one, but the other one's the model I want.
Yeah.
So I still want the wood grain and the better color.
I like that one better.
Yeah.
Looks-wise.
So this one will be parts. Well, there we have it. 1973 Plymouth Custom Suburban with a 72 front clip. This will be the donor car for the 72 Sport Suburban project. Lots of good bits on here, including a running drivetrain and 5 really excellent doors, and includes, of course, a excellent windshield, which is kind of, you know, that's probably $1,000 windshield, if you could even get them, and I don't think you even can. If I didn't have the Sport Suburban, I would happily restore this and drive it, because it's a cool car on its own, but as we know with any of these major renovations, if you don't start with 2 cars, you're never going to get it done. So let's have a look at the reason why we bought this. Right, the doors are excellent. Nice, solid tailgate. It's not perfect. A little repair needed there, but not too bad. Have a look at the doors again on this side. Look at that. Just, and that one, that's just paint come off. That's perfectly solid. So let's have a quick look at why we had to buy the other car. Door corner rusted out. All 4 doors are like that. Fenders are rusted out. Rockers are rusted on both cars, so that still has to be done. Both cars have good floors, so that's okay. This car is substantially less sunburnt. Actually pretty decent inside still. All the plastic is way better in this car, and that stuff's kind of impossible to repair. So even though the other car has a better body, the stuff that I can't repair is better in this car. Plus, much more deluxe model, nicer combination of colors, I think, nicer door panels, nicer seats. you know, the deluxe model, always a little more fun than these kind of 70s barges. I wanted a big block in it, but that there's a running engine that would just drop right in with almost no effort at all, so I'm gonna think about that. Plus we have the Impala to get back at, and the Buick isn't exactly finishing itself, and the SM, and the 25 Dodge. So in the interest of sanity, we're gonna just think about this. We got lots of time to plan, and I think that the blue wagon moves this car way up the line. When you consider I can't get up every day and weld on these cars, we're knocking 6 months to a year of welding off of this car by parting out the blue one. And in the end, it's all about whatever it takes to get them on the road, because neither of these cars was ever going back on the road, and if we put them together, one of them is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see everybody on Saturday for more of the regular contributor.
Same old shit.